Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Emoji and Minion bath bombs. So for this, you're going to need 240 grams of baking soda, 120 grams of citric acid, a bath bomb mold, red and black soap, yellow and blue food dye. You're also going to need water in a spray bottle, a pen, bubblegum essence oil, circle and heart clay cutters, a googly eye, and a clay sculpting knife. So let's add our baking soda, along with our citric acid, to a bowl. Give it a good stir. Next, we're going to put 1/6 of the mixture into another bowl and set that aside. We're going to add a few drops of bubblegum essence into the mixture, along with a little bit of yellow food colouring. Spritz it with some water and stir. Keep spritzing until the mixture starts to clump together. Like this. That's the yellow part. Now we're going to make the blue part of our minion. We're going to add our bubblegum essence and also some blue food dye. Spritz and mix, just like we did with the yellow. Now we're going to take our black soap. We're going to use our sculpting tool to cut off a slice. You might need to get your mum or dad's help with this. Now we're going to take our pen and we're going to draw on some sunglasses. Using the sculpting tool, cut around the edge. Now we've got an awesome pair of sunnies, made from soap. Now you're going to take your pen and draw a smile. Cut around the edge. Place both the sunglasses and the smile into the bath bomb mold. And now we're going to take our yellow mixture and pack it in on top of the smile and the sunglasses. Spritz it with some water, just to make sure it sticks. So that's one bath bomb done. Now let's do the next. I'm going to take the red soap and I'm going to make some heart-shaped eyes. I'm doing this using my cutter. There are two. Now I'm going to create another smile out of the black. Super cute! Place them inside your next mold. And repeat the process of packing down the yellow mixture. Now we're going to use our circle cutter to create a circle in the black soap. This is going to be the goggle for our minion. Next, we're going to cut a really thin piece of black soap. This is going to be the strap for his goggles. Put the googly eye into the bottom of the mold and then put 2 bits of black strap on either side. We're going to add the black circle to the back of the googly eye. I'm also adding a really thin piece of black soap to be an angry mouth. Now we want to add yellow, just like we've done with our other bath bombs. However, use your spoon to spoon it up because we're going to add blue at the bottom so that the Minion has blue and yellow, just like he should. Carefully insert the blue mixture. Build it up and then add some more yellow. Press it down and you're going to get a two-tone. Now we're going to leave it in the mold overnight to set. And once that's done, the next day we're going to pop them out. Let's have a look. There you have it. Don't they look great? Emoji and Minion bath bombs. Super cute and super fun. Wasn't that easy? They'll be great in the bath. Today I'm going to show you an awesome video. This is how you make DIY erasers. You don't have to buy them from the store anymore, you can make your own. So for this you're going to need some Sculpey oven bake clay. I have yellow, pink, white, purple, blue and black. I also have some clay sculpting tools. That's all you're going to need. So let's get started. First of all, I'm taking some of the yellow clay. I'm cutting a segment off. I want to roll this into a ball. Perfect. Now I'm taking some black clay. I'm going to use the tool to cut a mouth, so I'm pressing my black flat. Now use the tool to create the perfect shape. Get rid of any excess. Set that aside and now take some of your white clay. Again, I'm pressing it flat and using my sculpting tool to create a shape that I'm now going to use as teeth. Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle on top of the black. Perfect. Now let's stick it on our yellow ball. He's super happy, but we need to add some eyes. I'm using black to do this. Perfect! A smiley face. Set that aside and now let's make our next eraser. Now I'm going to make a Minion. So again, I'm starting with yellow. I'm rolling it into a sausage shape to get the main body of the Minion. Now I'm taking some blue. I want to make this flat so that it will sit around the base of my Minion. Smooth down any edges, just like this. You can use your sculpting tool to help. Now let's add some of the detail. I need to create a strap for the goggles. I'm doing that using black and placing it around the top of the Minion's head. I also need to make one eye. I'm trimming it with black, just like this. And then putting a black dot in the center. Lay that on top of your goggle strap. Don't forget to add a mouth. And some hair. Looking good. Finally, I want him to be sitting on some feet. So I'm creating a black base. Don't forget the arms. I'm using yellow, and making a spaghetti shape. They just go on the side. Perfect! That's our minion done. Now I'm going to make my last eraser. I want a green colour, but I didn't have that, so I'm using some blue and yellow mixed together. This makes a perfect green for what I need. Now I've got bright pink. I've got a long spaghetti shape and I'm rolling it up. I'm going to make a cupcake. Keep rolling it up. Perfect. Set that aside and now take your purple clay. I'm going to add some sprinkles. Just like this. I'm going to add loads of purple sprinkles all over. Keep adding them. Now I'm taking my green. I want to make my cupcake case out of the green, so I'm adding a zigzag edge all the way around my circle that I've made. Now I'm going to sit my cupcake in and push up the edges. Just like this. Get rid of any excess and smooth down the edges. If you'd like to make a cupcake exactly like this, why don't you check out our play-doh video, and you can make one out of play-doh as well. Now use your sculpting tool to create some texture on the side. Cute! Now what we need to do is to bake them in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. They won't look any different when they've come out, but they're going to be harder. And this means that you can use them as an eraser. Look at this! Isn't that awesome? Your very own erasers, perfect for going back to school. DIY erasers. Amazing! So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do check out all of our other videos and don't forget to come back soon. We'll see you again next time. Bye!